Incoming message. For your eyes only.
Welcome, agent. Stand by to receive your new gadget.
ES File Explorer is the world's top Android file manager with over 350 million users from different countries all over the globe. You can use ES to manage your smartphone, PC, or server, and even to access your files in the cloud. ES lets you access the files you need, where and when you need them. Work with ES. Do you need a file stored on your PC? ES can help you easily open the file remotely through FTP. You can also upload files to your cloud service of choice. Want to see what's inside your zip files? Don't worry. ES lets you preview your compressed files in one click. You can also use ES Files Disk Analysis function to see how much space your files take up on your phone and completely remove junk files. Live with ES. ES is a full entertainment management system. After you start up your Chromecast player, you can use ES to connect your smartphone to your home TV easily. When you want to listen to music, you can use ES to easily make a playlist on your smartphone, over the internet, and on the cloud. If you want to prevent your children from viewing something, you can use the file encryption function on ES to lock individual files in just one click. Share with ES. With the powerful LAN send function on ES File Explorer, you can share your photos, files, and games with your friends easily. With ES, you're in control of your world. Anything is possible.
Welcome to another PhoneSavvy.com application review. Today we'll be reviewing an application called Cell Tracker. The application looks like this on your Android-powered device. Go ahead and visit the Play Store and type in Cell Tracker in the search engine at the top and you'll find this application. And this application allows you to regularly track where your cell phone has been. The location information is not sent outside this application. It's all within the app itself, so there is no concern for privacy issues. And since it does not use GPS, it has very little effect on your battery life. It's just a great application to have to obtain excellent information. When you bring up the application, I'm going to go to Preferences first. These will be the three options that you see. Let's go to Preferences and see what we can change. Here's the duration of how often it pulls the information of where your cell phone is. It's by default set to 30 minutes, but you can change this duration to whatever you want. And every 30 minutes or whatever time frame you choose, it will log where your phone is at that moment. And here you can opt to receive a daily notification when your daily trips are available. If you select here, you can change what time during the day that you will receive this notification saying your day is now ready to be viewed. Let's go back. I'm going to select View as List. This will show me a list of where my phone has been every 30 minutes, since 30 minutes is the time interval that I chose. And this is yesterday, so I took a trip yesterday and every 30 minutes it pulled my location of my cell phone. And if you want to get a map view of any of these locations, just go ahead and touch that location and it will bring it up on a map. Now let's go back and let's view the full day in map. So I'm going to click View in Map, and you can use pinch to zoom in or out. And if I zoom out, it will show all of the locations that it pinned me at every 30 minutes. And you can touch any of these pins to get an address and a time for when I was in that location. And the nice thing about this application is it doesn't just build up with data that's going to store on your phone and take up memory. It only takes the last 3 days, and then it will wipe out the third day and bring in a new day. So you can view the last 3 days of where your cell phone has been. Now, why should you download this application? For one, it's maintenance free. You don't have to do anything to it. It'll send you a notification every day letting you know that your day is ready to be viewed. You may not use this on a regular basis, but it does provide valuable information to you that may come in handy at some point for those times when you want to know how many miles you've covered, where you've been, what was the address of that place we were at yesterday, and so on. This is one of our featured applications of the month, Cell Tracker. Make sure you download that, and also visit phone-savvy.com to find more great applications like this that you can get on your Android device.
Hello and welcome to SneakyCam. SneakyCam is an amazing application that you can use to click photographs of other people without anyone finding out. When you turn on SneakyCam for the first time, you can tap the screen and you'll be able to take a photograph without any preview type if that's a setting you like. You can go to the preferences, and there you can, the first and foremost important thing is that you check and uncheck the preview type. This is required only when you operate the application for the first time. Then you can go and select the trick with option that you like. Our favorite is a blank screen option. The screen is completely blank and nobody knows what you're doing. Here I'm going to show you the first type of preview type, that is on-screen preview. I'm setting the size to tiny and the position to center. Now when you go to the application and you can tap anywhere on the screen and you'll be able to take a photograph. Now you go to the preferences and you can change the preview type to transparency. Along with this, I'm going to show you something known as the custom trick width. Custom trick width can be used to select absolutely any photograph that you have on your phone as the as a top screen layer, so that people think that you're actually using that application, but in reality you'll be clicking that photograph. I'm using Quick Pick. It's a very famous gallery app to select the screenshot that I clicked off my phone, and now I'm gonna be setting it as the preview on top. You see, you can see the transparency since I've set it to low level. Tap anywhere on the screen and the photograph gets taken. Now I go back to the preferences, and here I'm going to show you other options such as showing the click success notification, whether you want to save it in the SneakyCam folder, you want to hide the photographs, or if you want a vibration when the photograph gets clicked or not. There you go. Now you're able to see a photograph got clicked without any notification. To make it even more discreet, now I'll show you the preview type with the same custom trick width with a larger preview in the center of the screen. You can change that position to any way you like. Tap on the screen and you're able to get a photograph. Thank you and have fun, guys. Buy SneakyCam Class before it